Greetings, aspirants. So the concept we are going to discuss for today is the reusable launch vehicle technology. As we all know that the purpose of the launch vehicle is to put the payload in the intended orbit, but the stages, through the stages of the launch vehicle, various parts of the various stages of the various parts of the launch vehicle gets detached and they fall in the sea. In this way, we are going to develop every launch vehicle newly. Like every time we want to send a payload, we use a very new launch vehicle. It's like using a new car every time you go out. Isn't it costly? Yeah. For the same purpose, ISRO started to develop reusable launch vehicle where you can use this launch vehicle for multiple times. So what is the main configuration? The main configuration of this launch vehicle, reusable launch vehicle, is going to be similar of that aircraft. Is going to similar to be aircraft, but it has the complexities of both the aircraft and the launch vehicle, because you have to safely bring back this launch vehicle and land it on the sea, right? So this winged RLV has been configured to act as a flying test bed, because we are for this reusable launch vehicle technology, we are going to need any very new technologies. So it's going to evaluate various technologies like hypersonic test flight, autonomous landing, and also powered cruise flight. In future, this vehicle will turn out to be the India's reusable launch vehicle technology, right? Now, what are the parts? Which this RLV has? RLV consists of a fuselage, which is the body, a nose cap, also double delta wings and twin vertical tails. It also features symmetrically placed rudders and elevens. This technology demonstrator was boosted to Mach number 5. You have to know that Mach number is nothing but ratio of speed of the aircraft to the speed of sound. Speed of the aircraft to the speed of sound. In this way, you get this Mach number. So when the Mach number is greater than 5 or equal to 5, you call it hypersonic flight. Understood? So the selection of materials, like we need special materials like special alloys and also composites and insulation materials for developing the RLVTD, and crafting of these parts is very complex and demands highly skilled labor and highly skilled technology, right? And many high technology machinery and test equipment were utilized for building this vehicle. Now, if you look at the picture, as I told you, it's going to have fuselage, which is the body. In this, you have a straight body and nose body, and this is the nose cap, which we talked about. This is the wind's leading edge. And this is the wing. And this is the 11 we talked about, and these are the rudders. And also we have the vertical tail. So these are the various parts which we discussed in the previous slide. Now, if we move on, what are the main objectives of this reusable launch vehicle technology? The main objectives are hypersonic aerothermodynamic characterization of the wing body. And secondly, evaluation of autonomous navigation, guidance, and control schemes for going and also coming back. And thirdly, it has integrated flight management. The objective of it is to achieve integrated flight management. And lastly, we have the thermal protection system evaluation. So these are the four objectives. Of our reusable launch vehicle technology demonstrator. So we have discussed the purpose of the reusable launch vehicle technology, then its significance. Then we have seen the different parts of the body. And then we talked about the objectives of this RLV in our video. We'll be back again with the next concept. Thank you.